If you are trying to create box mockup like this, please stop doing this. Instead, first take rectangular marquee tool and select your design. Press Ctrl plus X to cut and create new layer. Disable the design layer. Then select background layer and take quick selection tool. Select the box. Now drag and drop on plus icon to make a copy of it. Then create layer mask on it. Change the order of the layer, hold Alt and click for clipping mask. Go to File, click on vanishing point. Now just create perspective plane like this. Now hold Ctrl and drag. Adjust the points. Again hold Ctrl and drag. Then press Ctrl plus V to paste your design. Just drop it into the plane. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and adjust it according to the box. Click OK. Lastly, change the blend mode to multiply. That's all guys, I hope you like the tutorial. Do subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching.